Hello everybody, welcome to day number 12 of Handmade Holidays. We have been very busy making these cute projects with the kids. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And if you are just following along, please like. That spreads the word and gets more people to watch my videos. Today's project is the big snowman. So come along and we'll show you how. When I was originally designing this snowman, the most challenging part was what was I going to use for the base. It needed to be something sturdy that would hold this guy up straight. My original concept was a piece of wood with a hole drilled in it and a pencil or a dowel put down into the inside, and then we could just layer the snowballs on top of that. That works for me because I have access to wood, drills, things like that, but you might not have access. So what do you do if you can't do this? A visit to the dollar store. I found this tree collar and it was perfect for what I wanted to do, but it only holds so big of a styrofoam ball, which is why this guy is so tall. But what do you do if you don't have room for somebody this tall and you want to make this on a smaller version? Raid your recycle. I've got a big tuna fish can, and this is going to be the base of the snowman that I build next. I'm going to build a smaller version of this guy. So come along and let's get crafting. In this video, I'm going to give you two options, two different ways to make the hats for this snowman. I'm also going to give you two different ways to do the nose, and that's going to be inside the video. Well, now you know how to build a yarn snowman. Thank you so much for joining me on this 12-day adventure of making handmade holiday crafts with your kids. Now get out there and do some of them with them. But remember, just because I've mentioned certain products doesn't mean you have to use them. And I'm not being paid or supported by any vendors for any of these things that I've mentioned. I'm just sharing what I've done with you. So get out there, have a very happy holiday, and make some wonderful memories. Take care, and bye-bye.
Like and subscribe.